Element 1.3, Incident, Accident Protection in the Workplace. Colleagues, friends, and fellow technicians, before we touch a single engine, before we dismantle a single pump, we must remember, safety is the foundation of our work. Element 1.3 is not just a line in a manual, it is a lifeline. It is the shield that protects us from accidents, and the discipline that keeps our workplace strong. Think of the hazard signs we place around the workshop. They are not decorations, they are warnings that save lives. A single sign can prevent a hand from being burned, a foot from being crushed, or a life from being lost. Think of the personal protective equipment, gloves, goggles, boots. They may feel heavy, they may feel inconvenient, but they are the armor that separates us from injury. Every time you put them on, you are saying, my life matters, my safety matters. Think of the first aid kit and fire extinguisher. They are not just boxes on the wall. They are promises. Promises that if something goes wrong, we are ready to respond, ready to protect, ready to save. Think of the incident reports. Some may see them as paperwork, but in truth, they are lessons. Every report is a story that teaches us how to prevent the next accident. Every report is a step toward a safer tomorrow. And above all, think of the discipline. Safety is not about reacting when things go wrong. It is about acting before they do. It is about paying attention, staying alert, and respecting the rules that protect us all. So I say to you, pay attention. Not just with your eyes, but with your heart. Because when you protect yourself, you protect your family. When you protect your team, you protect your community. And when you protect your workplace, you protect the future. Let us be known not only as skilled mechanics, but as guardians of safety. Let every visitor say, this is a place where people care, where accidents are prevented, where lives are valued. Because in the end, the greatest repair we can make is not fixing a broken pump, it is preventing the break before it happens. Puzzle piece what the diagram shows. Hazard safety signs, right pointing arrow, danger, caution, and stop signs to warn workers. Protective equipment, PPE, right pointing arrow, goggles, hard hat, gloves, and boots. First aid and emergency, right pointing arrow, first aid station, fire extinguisher, and emergency kit. Incident reporting, right pointing arrow, clipboard and report form to document accidents. Safety officer, right pointing arrow, supervising compliance, giving a thumbs up for vigilance. Bullseye, why it matters. This diagram makes element 1.3 practical and memorable. It shows how to prevent accidents before they happen. It emphasizes the importance of asterisk using PPE every time. It highlights acting fast in emergencies with first aid and fire response. It reinforces the need to report and learn from incidents. Thank you. Remember, subscribe, share and comment. See you next time.